Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. All right, I have a B plus cord here that I'm going to replace in off of my 428 kit. So this is the B plus line here, and I just received a new shipment of the B plus adapters. So this is the B plus 6x4 adapter here. Goes right into the 6x4 slot on the AO28, and then you slide in the 6x4 right here on the top of this. I'm going to replace this one. I believe mine has a short in it, and because when I hit the switch, it starts, I hear noise and electrical noise. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that and get it switched out right now. I'll be back in a moment. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.